In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Slack account permanently. Before we begin, a quick heads up. In Slack, permanently removing everything usually means deleting an entire workspace, not just deactivating a single user profile. This process is irreversible and will remove messages, files, and settings for that workspace, so proceed only if you're absolutely sure. You'll also need to be the primary owner of the workspace to complete this. Start by opening Slack and heading to your home view for the workspace you want to remove. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple ones. It's a good idea to let your team know what's happening, and if needed, download any important files or copies of conversations before you move on. Next, look to the left side panel and find the Settings icon, which appears as a small gear. Click that gear to open the workspace-specific settings and administration options. From this menu, choose Workspace Settings. Slack will take you to a settings page for your workspace, often in your web browser. Give it a second to load, and confirm you're still viewing the workspace you intend to delete. On the Workspace Settings page, scroll down until you find the section where Slack places advanced or irreversible actions. Here you'll see the option labeled Delete Workspace. Read the information around this area carefully. Slack will outline what deletion means for your messages, files, apps, and member access. When you're ready, click Delete Workspace. Slack will typically prompt you to confirm the decision. Expect a confirmation checkbox or two, and in many cases you'll be asked to type the workspace name to verify you understand the impact. Follow the on-screen instructions exactly as presented. If prompted, re-enter your password to authorize the change. Once confirmed, Slack will begin the deletion process and remove the workspace permanently. Keep a couple of considerations in mind. If you're on a paid plan, review your billing status and any remaining credits beforehand so there are no surprises. If you use integrations or apps connected to this workspace, understand that those connections and any workspace-scoped data will also be gone. Finally, remember that this action affects every member in the workspace, so ensuring everyone has what they need before deletion helps avoid data loss or confusion. That's it. You've navigated to Home, opened the Settings gear, selected Workspace Settings, scrolled to the bottom, and used Delete Workspace to permanently remove your Slack presence. Proceed carefully, and take a moment to double-check everything before you click that final confirmation.